Are you looking for the best drone? In this video we will look at some of the best drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. If you want the best cameras in a drone, get this model. Its main camera has a larger sensor than that of our top pick, and it adds 70mm and 166mm equivalent lenses to capture more distant subjects. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro takes many of the best features of the Air 3S and, for a little more than twice the price, ups the camera count to 3. It not only offers a Hasselblad branded 24mm equivalent wide-angle lens with a 4/3 sensor but also sports two telephoto lenses, a 70mm equivalent with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and a 166mm equivalent with a 1/2 inch sensor. Thanks to the comparatively huge sensor on the main camera, the Mavic 3 Pro can capture more detail than our other picks and can do so in a much wider band of lighting conditions. As a result, it produces better images right out of the camera, and it gives editing software more data to work with to improve the images even further. This model can capture vibrant, detailed still images with its 3 cameras, and its video, at up to 5.1K resolution, looks more color accurate than footage from the competition. It also has a 43-minute battery life, which isn't the longest we've ever seen in our tests. Our top pick beats it by a bit, but comes pretty close. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. This drone offers DJI's autonomous features, minus obstacle avoidance, and a 4K camera that can shoot in portrait or landscape, all in a tiny package weighing less than 250 grams. If you're just getting into drone photography, especially for personal use, the DJI Mini 3 is a fantastic starter package. Though it costs less than half as much as our top pick, it still offers a 4K camera, a long, 38-minute, battery life, and a compact, lightweight build that just slides under the FAA's 250-gram limit. The Mini 3's camera and sensor aren't as high quality as those of the Air 3S, but the f/1.7 aperture provides surprisingly good image quality in lower light conditions. This model also comes with all the important features you need from a video drone, such as image and flight stabilization, an included controller, and smart flight modes, in which the drone flies itself to easily capture cinematic shots. But it lacks the obstacle avoidance sensors of more expensive models. You have the option to extend the battery life to 51 minutes via DJI's Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, but using that add-on makes the drone heavy enough that it would need to be registered with the FAA. Number 3. DJI Avata 2. Like other first-person view, FPV, models, this drone trades obstacle avoidance and stability for more aggressive, immersive footage. But its software and hardware guardrails make it more beginner-friendly than most. All of our picks are capable of capturing good-looking, high-resolution aerial footage. But while the others focus on smooth cinematic shots of landscapes or sweeping vistas, the DJI Avata 2 is designed to emphasize speed and agility, creating footage that makes you feel as if you're riding on board. The small, buzzy fighter jet, DJI's third iteration of its first-person view drone, finally puts the FPV format inside an easily accessible and relatively practical package. It's equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor that shoots 4K footage at up to 100 frames per second, motors that can propel it at up to 27 meters per second, in contrast to the Air 3S and Mavic 3 Pro's 21 meters per second, and a sturdy plastic shell that can handle a wide range of impacts when you inevitably run it into a tree or wall. The Fly More combo that we recommend includes an updated headset, 3 batteries good for roughly 20 minutes of flight time each, and a new, smaller version of the motion controller that launched with the original DJI FPV drone. This upgraded controller makes flying more intuitive for new pilots, but if you want to unlock the more aggressive manual control mode, you should also have DJI's more traditional FPV remote controller 3. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. This easy-to-fly drone provides a 6K camera and 40 minutes of flight time, and unlike DJI drones, it has no known security concerns. But the video quality isn't as crisp or as colorful. If you are avoiding the DJI brand due to security or human rights concerns, or if you want a 6K camera, we recommend the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. This drone can fly for up to 40 minutes with autonomous options similar to those of DJI drones. And unlike the DJI Fly app, the Autel Sky app is available for direct download from the Google Play Store. However, we still prefer DJI drones for their value and image quality. Flex your creativity with an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 f/11, giving you the ability to alter exposure in depth of field in imaginative ways that show off your unique artistic style. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor and Autel's intelligent moonlight algorithm, the EVO Lite Plus can capture crisp, vibrant details at night with low noise even when the ISO is cranked up high. Number 5. Holystone HS360S. Holystone HS360S, drone with camera for adults featuring the Holystone latest design, weighs less than 250 g. This GPS drone offers the perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. Perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. Holystone drones with camera for adults 4K equipped with 1/3 foot CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and 4K 85 degrees wide-angle camera adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app, captures stunning 3840x2160p photos and 4K videos. Unleash your creativity from a whole new perspective. Holystone HS360S, a GPS drone with camera, features Holystone's enhanced remote controller. Now you can connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable, and enjoy real-time image streaming without the necessity of Wi-Fi. Set the social media stage on fire with stunning visuals from the Holystone HS360S GPS 4K drone with camera. Thanks to Holystone Advanced Intelligent Control System, the control range of HS360S, drones with camera for adults 4K, is up to 10,000 feet. The powerful modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight. Experience the freedom to explore like never before with Holystone drone for adults.